Hi everyone, we are back again with a new video on HT Digital. Today we have Vivo's one of the popular camera smartphones in the V series, the Vivo V17. The device that we have here is the 8 plus 128GB version. You can get this handset in two colors, Midnight Ocean and Glacier Ice. The one that we have right now is the Midnight Ocean that has a glossy back and looks more elegant. Let's see what's inside the box. Inside the box you get the smartphone itself along with some documentation, SIM ejector tool and a transparent cover case. There's also an adapter, charging cable and earphones. For those unaware, this smartphone comes only in one storage and RAM variant, which is 8 plus 128GB. You get a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED screen in this one. The highlight here is the punch hole at the top right corner that comprises of a front-facing camera. You also get some basic features like brightness adjustment, color temperature adjustment and more. The smartphone runs Android 9 Pie based FunTouch OS 9.2. It is not for sure when exactly this handset will receive Android 10 update. The UI and scroll animations are smooth and switching between apps are snappy. Powering the handset is Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 processor. At the top right corner you can see the front camera that comprises a 32 megapixel sensor with f2.4 aperture. However, there is no dedicated LED flash for it. You get some basic features here as well, such as Super Night Selfie, portrait light effects, AR stickers, AI makeup and more. At the back you get 4 cameras placed inside a rectangular enclosure. The setup includes a 48 megapixel sensor with f1.8 aperture along with an 8 megapixel wide angle sensor, 2 megapixel bokeh and 2 megapixel macro sensor. It includes modes like Super Night mode, ultra stable video, portrait bokeh, AR stickers and more. Powering the Vivo V17 is a 4500 mAh battery that can be charged with USB Type-C port. The device supports dual engine fast charging as well. You even have several battery saving options inside the settings app. Besides all this, you get an in-display fingerprint sensor that can be set up right from the settings app or while setting up the smartphone. So that was our quick look at the Vivo V17 smartphone. For more such videos, follow HT Digital. We will be back in our next video, so stay tuned.